Spoken Case Studies by Mr. Eden. On paper 1, in the Hazardous Earth section, you will need to know a located example about managing earthquake hazards from a developed country. Your example is the Japanese earthquake of 2011. This earthquake had a focus which was 30 kilometers below the seabed. The epicenter was about 130 kilometers east of Sendai on the Japanese coastline. It occurred on the 11th of March 2011 and it had a magnitude of 9.0. It was caused by the Pacific Plate moving at a speed of 83 millimeters a year being thrust under the Eurasian Plate at the Japanese Trench, i.e. a subduction-destructive plate boundary. The impacts. 1,479 people were killed as a result of the earthquake. Buildings were severely damaged. Electric power, water and sewage systems were disrupted. The earthquake created a secondary hazard of a tsunami. The tsunami killed 17,000 people. The tsunami injured 5,000 people. Overall, 127,000 buildings collapsed. 2,000 roads, 56 bridges and 26 railway lines were destroyed, and the cost was $300 billion. Responses and preparations. Advanced warnings give people time to evacuate. Rescue workers and Japanese soldiers were mobilized to deal with the crisis. Search and rescue teams were sent from international countries. Red Cross and other NGOs, non-governmental organizations, provided support. However, there were disruptions to roads which meant rescue efforts were difficult. Temporary houses were set up. Seawalls have been built to protect people in the future, and new buildings are being built to withstand earthquakes in the future.